Life is actions. Actions upon actions and actions that influences our life. Every action has a reaction, and the course you must take is always one of positive action towards your goals. You have to make these goals plain, because if you don't have these goals plain, how are you going to make them? How are you going to complete them? If completion isn't your goal, then what are you even in the store for? What are you even walking this path for? The way life works is it's like a stair. As you walk up the stairs, the stairs have landings. You know what I'm saying? That's where the stairs stop, and you get a kind of a rest part, right? So life is a step. You finish elementary school, that's a step. You finish middle school, that's a step. You finish high school, that's a step. You finish college, that's a step. Everything is a step. Every job you apply for is a separate step. Every goal that you want to achieve is a separate step on infinite numbers of stairs. But each stair, you must take them one at a time, like walking. You have to take these stairs like walking. You may be able to jump over a couple on one path. You may be able to do 2 or 3 on another path. But on the other path, you may be crawling. You may be crawling up that stairs. And there's nothing wrong with that. You just have to take the action. You have to go up the stairs. You can't come back down. These stairs need to have legit ends to them. Your goals have to be at the end. Where you started from, that's the beginning. That's the first step. You can't go back. You can only go forward. Now, sometimes stairs may end. You may be on a way up and the stair may end. You may lose a credential. You may get barred over a crime that you committed. You may get barred from a certain career that you enjoyed. You may lose your license. So the stairs might end for you. But you can always build a new path upward from there. Don't be afraid of change. Embrace that you cannot go down that path. You can reminisce. You can be sad about it. You can be defeated. You could feel you could be in your feelings. You could cry about it. But after you cry, wipe your tears. Get up. Figure out your next step and continue on the path up those stairs. So life is an infinite amount of stairs, and you don't want those stairs to end to the day you die. The stairs may end. You may retire. You may be finishing your career. That stair may end. But your life stair continues on to the day that you die. And God willing, by the time you get to the end of that stair, you are at that landing of completion. You're comfortable with where your landing is at. You're comfortable with where your life is ending. That's all. Like, subscribe, and share this. Listen to this every day. Every day. So this can sit in your soul and improve your life.